Welcome. In front of me is a Realme GT Neo 3, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into recovery mode. So to get started, you'll want to turn it off, so hold power key and volume up at the same time. Select power off. And once the phone turns off, you want to hold power and volume down. Let go of the power key when you see the Realme logo. And from here, choose your desired language. For me, it's right here below, barely visible. And there we go. Now we have only three options right here: wipe data, reboot, or power off. So technically we only have one option that is associated with recovery mode. The two other ones are just ways to leave this mode. So there we go. So I'm gonna select reboot just to get back to Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.